Hello friends, good evening. Welcome back to our channel LP Talk. This is your Lakshmi Bhatti. Today we have our guest Mr. Vishal with us. So in this video we discuss the rooftop PV setup because this is going to be the most important thing in the coming future. So what are the different things as a process or procedure involved in this setup? He explained in a step-by-step manner from starting the site survey and discussing with the customer and analysis and designing and then sending a proposal to the customer and then after that purchasing everything and installing it on the site. So some question and answer type we discussed it. I hope this content may be useful to you. If you have any questions or comments or anything, then please comment in comment section. If you want to be a part of this ALP Talks YouTube channel for sharing your knowledge or something, you are always welcome. Please comment your details. I will contact with you. Yeah, if you need any further topics or anything, then also you please contact me. I'm ready to make videos on those topics also. Yeah, thank you guys. Keep watch this video till the end.
Hi, Ambati. Hi.
Yeah, hello Vishal. Yeah.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you again. Nice, nice. Same feeling. Very nice. How are you,
So,
man?
I'm good, perfectly.
Yeah,
What about you?
yeah, I'm also good. So we are once again meeting. Yeah, very good. So how things going on there?
Perfectly fine. Awesome.
Okay, very nice. That's what we want to hear.
So, how's your job going on?
Yeah, my job is good. It's nice.
Okay.
Okay.
So, are you working in ABB, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah.
So,
So yeah, are you
so
able to
is
see
it
the, are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, definitely.
Are you able to see the screen now?
Nah, yes, I can
Uh,
see the screen.
the slide is coming appearing, right? First slide.
Right.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, good. So like bullet points you prepared, right?
A little bit.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's true. That's true. Yeah, so we'll try to do like that. Yeah, okay, Vishal, because we know each other and audience also, you know about. So let's start discussion. So because rooftop power plants, power setup is going to be very much important. It's already in boom. In coming days, also it's going to be rock the world. But so because the electricity charges and all, it's going little bit higher side in every state because they also meet the expenses and all. So in that aspect, most of the people are moving towards this. So government is also providing some benefits to the people for the setting up these things. So let's discuss this thing. So what is your understanding? What's going on actually? So who are the customers who wants this setup? Generally, who are more interested towards these things? So let's speak few things about that. Then later on we will discuss those point wise. It's your turn,
Yeah.
Vishal.
You are saying absolutely right. People are very much more interested in going to solar right now nowadays. I'm living in Bikaner. I see the peoples near to me, which are also very much interested in going to solar. If I go if I go on my terrace and see around there, so many of the rooftop solar is installed on the roofs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So all the people's my neighbors are know that I am my background is solar, so they are asking uh,
Yeah, that's
how much
true.
it will cost. I think I've heard about 10,000 times of many people that how much we have to install panels for running a fan and a light and a fridge and a AC
That's
cooler.
true. That's true.
Everyone is
Yeah,
asking me the same question.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, we should do one more session also on this particular sizing and all. Say one fan is there,
Definitely.
one light is there. We will plan one more session on that.
Sure, sure,
So
sure,
yeah,
sure.
yeah. Proceed here.
Yeah. So definitely, people are very much more interested. Actually, the cost of the system is also not very much nowadays for the residential customers also. Like
Mm-hmm.
people's requirement of around 10 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, 4 kilowatts. So
Mm.
basis on that, the system cost is around 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs for 2 lakhs 25,000 for 5 kilowatt system, you know,
Okay, okay.
and 3.5 lakh for 10 kilowatt system. So it's not too much expensive for people who are consuming more electricity. If people are
Mm-hmm.
like that, consuming more electricity, then they can afford also the system cost also.
Yeah, yeah.
So uh,
Okay.
definitely
When air conditioner
people
is
are
there, when air conditioner is there, AC and all, then the those people only are opting for that, or any normal people who have lighted fan.
everyone, normal peoples are there, normal people are asking.
Okay, because if you have AC, then only the bill and all it will be around 2 to 3 thousand, something
No.
like
For
that.
the general knowledge, every people asking this. Uh,
Okay, okay, okay.
yes. Even people are more understandable about the solar. They are also know the name of the panels. They knows the module brand, inverter brand. They are asking in front of me that how much size of cable you are using. Are you using LA? And are you what I every people's are knows about the solar much more now day by day.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, very nice.
so
Yeah, that is the trend actually. So, shall we go into the bullet
definitely.
points?
Uh, hmm,
Yeah, okay, okay. Very nice. Yeah,
yes.
so many things
So,
are there to discuss. Yes, yes.
definitely,
Proceed, Vishal. Yeah.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, in a company like we are working with a company like that, EPC players. These are the main terms which we are considering
Mm-hmm.
basis the solar PV plant setup.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
so this bullet points also describe my job profile or also describe the installation
Yes, yes,
of
yes.
plant and PV setup. So
Yeah, yeah.
firstly, our sales team find out the leads and then generation by
Mm-hmm.
website. The peoples are approaching by website, and the people are
Yeah,
approaching, but they're approaching by Google and then so
yeah,
other social media or social networking website. People are approaching us
yeah,
on
yeah,
those
yeah.
websites, right?
Okay.
So basis on that, our sales team reach out to them and
Mm-hmm.
required some documents from them like their electricity bills, their roof, if they
Yeah.
have their roof layout in AutoCAD and something else. So roof
Mm-hmm.
pictures they required from them.
Okay.
Uh, so basis on that, first of all, we have to analyze the roof sizing on the software called Helioscope. This
Mm-hmm.
is a web-based software,
Mm-hmm.
so we can identify the solar system capacity by Google Earth, and
Okay.
we can.
90% roofs are almost plain, right? I mean,
Oh,
most of
it's
the times.
depend on the client.
Uh,
In residential sectors, there are RCC roof and stone roofs are there.
yeah, because
So in
whatever we will see, V-type roof, those are almost olden days. Those are
the
people.
mainly the industrial customers have a metal shade of metal shade
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. That's
decoration.
true.
So
Okay.
residential customers have their RCC roofs which are plain.
Mm-hmm.
Only obstacles are there like water tanks and water
Yes,
pipes are
yes.
there.
That's true. That's true.
So for residential customers, we have to do a conduct a survey because from helioscope, mostly it is not clear image of a residential roof. So we have to
Okay.
conduct a survey and
Okay. Okay.
we are going to the customers' residence or customers' premises and
Mm-hmm.
we take a fuller measurement of
Yeah. Yeah.
proposed site length,
Okay.
width. If there are any RCC, we take a measurement of length and width and mark the obstacles like water tank, water
Yeah.
pipe,
Yeah.
any tower is there, any Mumty room is there. So
Yeah.
we marked on our layout.
Yes.
So in industrial clients, we climb on the metal shade and we measure all the length, width, the skylight, ventilators, all the dimension we have to take.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
Purlin to purlin distance, size of purlin, thickness of the sheet, profile of the sheet, uh, cable routing, way of cable routing, earthing positions,
Mm-hmm.
location of the inverter mounting and location of the our electrical panels which we have to place near
Mm.
to the electrical panel. So these
Okay.
are the main parameters which we have to take care of
Yeah,
for
yeah.
when we are going to this site survey.
Generally, the roof can
So
be very delicate, right? Because that is like maybe 3 or 2 sheet. Most of the industries may be using for the roof,
hmm
their roof.
hmm
So,
hmm
if you are going to the install all the solar panels, because there will be some movement of person to go and install. How you are feeling those things, tackling those things? Because it may be too delicate. Because I have that mind concept, so what's your opinion for installing on those and handling those things in the site?
Oh, okay. So when we have reached the metal sheet uh, on by ladders or something, so we
Yeah,
have look around all over the things like if the metal sheet is rusted or seems
yeah,
weak,
yeah,
then
yeah.
we have requested from the client, then please provide us the AutoCAD layout. So can we, because we cannot go towards on the shade, because if the shade is rusted or weak, so it's dangerous for us.
Yes, yeah, that's
And
what I have no doubt
that's
on
why
that.
we ask customer for provide us the AutoCAD file or the roof plan layout, and we
Hmm.
have also suggest that them to reinforced or change the metal sheet because its thickness is very
Low.
less.
Yeah, yeah,
Right. So we
yeah.
have suggested the client also.
Okay.
If we are going to that, there are two type of structure like micro rail and long rail. If we
Hmm.
are penetrate micro rail on sheet, then the sheet thickness is mattered. But
Okay,
if you are using a long rail on the purling, then the purling strength is mattered.
okay, okay, okay,
There are two types of mounting clamps methods.
okay, okay. Proceed,
One is
proceed.
uh, one is on sheet and one second is on purlins.
Okay.
Right. So if he assumes the structure is weak or any other thing, so when we tell the customer that your structure seems strong or weak, then you have to reinforce that or something else.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Extra something
So
you had to take care
hmm,
internally, right? Some beams
right, right,
provision. Okay.
right.
Proceed, proceed.
So
Good.
these are the key factors which we are taking home, and then we basis on that we prepared a AutoCAD SketchUp layout.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so then after we will put the panels and find out the capacity which we can install there.
Mhm.
We will put obstacles there, and we can estimate the shadow analysis over
Yeah,
SketchUp. So
yeah.
these
Okay.
are shadow analysis is also we will do uh, for particular location which we have mostly objects are there, shading
Yeah.
objects are there.
Yeah, we shall. If it is almost, for example, if ours is the tallest building, then there won't be no shadow, we can say. Because in most of the cities, say some all around are big buildings, then it's easy, not possible for the installation of solar plant, because only afternoon only the sunrise will be almost.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, what is the
Because
your experience on
when
that
we
case?
when we go to the site, we marked all the objects. Like if the building is too far, it's
Mhm.
like 10 to 12 feet. We have marked also that particular position also. So if the building is near to our building, so we will mark in our layout that the building is 10-meter far, but the building site is this.
Okay,
Every object we will marked on our layout.
okay, okay.
Then we prepared a layout on our SketchUp and marked all the over the objects over there. If it's creating shadow, then the system is not possible over there. So we
Okay.
will tell the customer
Is
that
there
your
any case it's not possible on your roof because you have 90% shadow? Something, is there any experience like that?
Yeah, definitely. For
Okay.
residential clients, there are many residential clients in Delhi.
Yeah.
The our surveyor team go to the site and they marked all the details. But when we check the layout on SketchUp, then it's in
Not
morning and evening,
feasible.
roof is completely in shadow. Only 11 to 1
Yeah.
o'clock.
Yes, yes.
It's
That's what I.
then after that also we have simulated the roof and simulated the system on PV system.
Okay.
for getting the generation loss, or for getting the near shading loss. If the generation is very too less, there is no meaning of
Use of going, yes, yes,
going
yes.
to solar, then we will definitely call the customer that the roof is not suitable for your system. The
Yeah.
generation is that if you are now interested, even interested, then we can do that. So we have tell everything to the customer that yours how much you have get generation and how much the shadow and shading impact comes on your roof.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay, okay. Good, good. Proceed, proceed. Hey,
So
one more thing. If it is farmhouse related, for example, in farmhouse, if you need any solar plants or something, so what is the your experience on that case? Is this because there a lot of trees will be there,
yeah,
cloudiness?
yeah,
Because cloudy, because when it is more trees are there, like forest area, something clouds also. I am thinking it may be more when compared to other areas.
definitely,
So,
definitely.
how we will take care of those clouds related matter? Any idea on that? Any guess? Are
Uh,
you, yeah.
in farmhouse, mainly the major issues which we are facing are only trees.
Okay, okay.
So we ask the customer, you have to trim the trees. Uh, you have to trim the trees so that you can install a solar power plant.
Otherwise, it is less use. Yeah.
Yes. We have analysis both type of structure, normal structure, elevated structure, and the superstructure, which we have to increase the height of the structure. Even going with the superstructure, even though shadow comes from the trees, then we definitely call the customer and that tell the okay, after going with superstructure, even shadow is coming already coming now. So you have to trim the trees. No other any option you have. So you have the trim the trees below the panels.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
So
Okay. Proceed. Proceed.
mainly these are the issue while going to the farmhouse like things.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. If the space is not sufficient on the customer roof, say for example, he needs some 5 kilowatt capacity. He is in apartment or something. In apartments, it's a completely different case, right? When compared to
Hmm.
individual houses.
Hmm. In apartments, they have the customer has roof rights required. If he has roof rights of apartment or any building,
Uh-huh.
then he can going for solar. But he has not roof rights for the roofs, and that there is no option for that.
Okay, okay. If roof space, what is the individual house, roof space is not sufficient, then you are going to mount so many angles and extend the space in the air or what?
Uh,
Any
hmm.
experience on that?
Yes. If the space is not sufficient,
Mm-hmm.
then we will propose that them to going for a higher wattage panel. If
Okay,
yes,
okay.
and we can hang panels by supporting the bracings
Yeah, yeah.
after roof, but
Okay.
we will consider that the hanging space of the panel is not going to the neighbor's house.
Okay. Yes, yes, that's true. That's true.
If the hanging is in his premises, then it's
It's
absolutely
okay.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's okay. But the hanging is not allowed outside his house.
Mm-hmm.
So we can go definitely with 1 meter elevate 1 meter cantilever. We can increase the 1 meter cantilever and support the module with the bracings. So
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
do that. Uh,
Okay, 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 okay.
in that cases we are doing higher wattage panel we have suggested, and the bracings we can increase the cantilever of the panels. uh,
Okay.
in
Hey,
such
then
case.
for same panel, there are different varieties of wattage based on that. I mean, you are saying higher wattage panel. So,
Yeah, there are many wattage of panel like now 600 wattage panel are there, 500 panels are there, 550 watt panels are there.
okay,
So
okay.
if they required a 5 kilowatt system, and by using normal panel like 335, 350 watt panel, the system cannot stall and reach up to 5 kilowatt, then we have suggested to go with the
Uh,
450 watt peak, 500
okay,
watt peak panel, so they can easily reach up to 5 kilowatt. If
okay.
even the 5 kilowatt system cannot reach up by using by using high voltage panel and the cantilever, then the system we have installed, we can tell the customer that only this system can be installed. The required system cannot be installed on your roof. because of
Okay.
the issue, because the area issue.
Yeah, got it, got it. Okay. Yeah, proceed, Vishal. Next.
Yes. So after the lead generation, our sales team taking the lead from the client for mostly or residential, industrial area, industrial
Mm-hmm.
projects and commercial project. Uh,
Okay.
Sales team provide us the coordinates of the particular location, because in each project it's not possible to go on the site and the doing the
That's
survey, because
true.
it's time wasting also, and it's takes
Risky. Yes, yes, yes.
not risky. It's consume money also. It's
Yes, yes, yes.
for
Yeah, I
mostly
mean,
outside, going outside, and
if project is not feasible, means again
project is
it's
not
wasting
feasible.
of everything.
Wasting of money and wasting of time.
Yeah,
So we
yeah.
have conducted, we have taking a coordinates from the client and doing a helioscope, by using a helioscope. We have by Google Earth layout, Google Earth, we can estimate the capacity by using helioscope, and tell them the customer that you can install this type of capacity.
Okay.
Helioscope is mainly most of the projects. Helioscope is not giving you accurate figure, but it's 90% is accurate. Only
Okay.
5 to 10% can be
Adjustable.
vary. Yeah, right.
Yes,
Because
yes, yes.
some roofs are not clearly visible on the Google Earth. You can
Yeah,
understand.
yeah. Yes, yes, that's
In
true. That's
in
true.
foreign countries, you can easily using helioscope and give us the layout perfectly,
But
because the
here
roofs
it may
are
be difficult.
clearly fine. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
so basis on that, we propose a layout by using
Mm-hmm.
helioscope, and give the proposal to the client.
Okay,
And
okay.
if we see the customer is interested, and if he is wanted to put a solar on their plant, then we conduct a detailed site visit on the customer.
Okay.
If the customer is really interested, then we going to the site visit, and taking all the measurements, and again we prepared a layout and give the final capacity that we can install over there.
Okay, okay.
So uh,
Mm-hmm.
I have already told you the sites, by going site survey, what are the points we have collected,
Yes, yes,
like
yes. Yeah, yeah.
measurements, electrical connection, electrical panels, where we can terminate our cable if there any spare breaker is there, or we have to terminate the cable on the bus bar.
Yeah.
And DG ratings are, we have to collect. So what are the DZs they are using? How many ratings of DZ they are using?
That's
And
true.
yes. So these are the key points which we have to collect from site survey team.
Yeah, yeah.
So after preparing a model layout,
Mhm.
definitely we propose a capacity to the client,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
prepared a techno commercial offer.
Yeah, yeah,
In
yeah.
techno commercial offer, we have attached module layout. We have simulated the layout using PV system and give the generation to the client.
Yeah,
Also,
yeah.
we have preparing a BOQ, bill of quantity, bill of material, and we
Yeah.
have also attached tentative BOQ in our proposal to the client.
Yeah, yeah.
So these are the proposal formalities are there.
Yeah.
So if the project getting final,
Mhm.
the customer is agree on our prices, or if the
Yeah.
project is in final, then if the again detailed survey is needed, then we are going to the survey for detailed surveys like that. For inverter position, accurate inverter position, we
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
discuss with the client that we are going to install inverter ACDV is that place,
Yeah.
particular that place.
Yeah.
So a detailed survey is that only. If the needed detailed survey, then we will do. If the primary survey is sufficient for us, then we will not doing the detailed survey.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we again we after finalizing project, we will our team and starting the detail engineering,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we will start a single line diagram. Basis on that, we're preparing a single line diagram. We're
Yes.
preparing a DC cable string layout. We're preparing a earthing layout, and we are
Okay.
preparing DC cable string layout and plumbing layout.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
relevant calculations like voltage drop calculation, earthing
Yeah.
calculation, power loss calculation, cable sizing. Okay.
Yeah.
So basis on that, we prepared a SLD.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
so
Okay.
these are the detailed design documents we have prepared.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
after that, we sent to they sent to these documents to our project team and the procurement team.
Okay, okay,
The
yes.
procurement team will managing and procure the material which we have.
Which you given details.
Yes, yes. So we are also supporting our vendors that if they cannot understand the things and if they need required any help from us, then definitely we will help us that our vendors also.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
That's true. That's true.
yes.
Yeah.
After procuring all the materials and a structure, the project team starting the marking of the panels. Like if you see
Mm-hmm.
the solar structure, there is a short leg and a long leg.
Yes.
Then we have to you doing a marking. We have to use a marking so that the alignment of the structure is better
Yes,
for the
yes.
RCC roof structure. And the for metal shed, we have also used to do marking for the long rail and clamps type structure.
Okay, okay.
Firstly, we are if we are going to for the RCC roof, then I will come to the metal shed.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
after marking on the roof, we will place the columns like long columns and short columns, and drill the surface by a drill machine and fit our fastener into that and
Okay.
fix the legs. Then we will put when we connect the rafter with that, which will support to the modules. And
Yes.
after assembling all the structure with rafter, short leg, long leg, and the purlins, bracings, all necessary hardwares are there.
Yes, yes.
After assembling all the structure, we will put our panels on that. We will mounted of the panels of that. Okay, so after that, we will make RCC block, cemented block on the columns, that
Yes, yes.
for giving the strength of the columns.
Yeah.
So the now the structure and module has been mounted. So after that, we will start our equipment mounting, like inverter mounting on the. If it is floor mounted, then we will prepare a stand for that and put the inverter on that. If this is wall mounted, then we will put inverter on wall, and all the equipments like ACDB, DCDB, we will put all the equipments.
Yeah.
And then after we preparing all the strings getting connected, we'll connect all the strings and kill, take the cables through the cable tray or that conduit pipe to the inverter.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so basis on the SLD, our project team preparing a SLD. Okay, so after that, another team is going doing earthing for the system. So they are
Yeah.
laying earthing strip and all the necessary earthing cables and connect to the system for getting full earthed system. So so now the AC cable routing is started, and AC cable laying is started till the LT panel uh,
Yeah.
room. Yes, and the LA positions are also there. We need to install the LA lightning arrestor for the lightning protection. So
Okay.
we'll install the LA and doing is it's I think with appropriate with appropriate cable size of LA which is required. So after connecting all that connection with the cable, then we are ready to on the system. So
Very nice.
these are the key points which you have to use for putting a solar power plant. Yes.
Yes, Vishal. Yeah, it's clear. You clearly explain all this stuff. So here, for example, lightning arrestor means you are going to install on panel or what?
No, we are lightning star mainly. We are installed on the top of the roof.
Okay.
We have understand that a lightning arrestor is kept minimum 1 meter above from the panels,
Okay.
maximum height of the panels. So if there is any mumpty or is there any heighted object, so we can install the lightning arrestor to particular location. But we need to understand that the lightning arrestor is minimum 1 meter or 2 meter above from the panel.
Okay. Okay.
So yes, so
Is this for protecting your system? Generally, customers may have or may not have lightning arrestor setup in their roof.
yes, So definitely, some customers have already their LAs are there. So we have asked from the customer that what are the radius of the LA if you are using. If the LA is sufficient for us, then we can ask them that your LA also covering our solar project. Then there is no need to install another LA. So
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if we found that LA is not covering our solar power plant, so then we have to put our new LA for that.
Okay,
So,
okay.
so we have uh, using LA and we are find out the radius from LA from our layout that which radius LA is covering our whole layout.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so LA calculation is also different that how
yeah.
increasing the height can your increase the radius also.
That's
So
true.
depends on that we are choosing
Okay.
right rating of LA.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very nice, Vishal. You covered most of the topic. Yeah. So I think it is very good. And next time we will try to add some pictures also in our next videos. Some at least a few pictures for each topic or something. So that may be a little bit visual based also. Yeah, it may not be too much, but few things we can add it. Yeah. So it's good. As already we decided some topics. As per that we will proceed. In meanwhile, also I will add some more topics also like this.
Definitely.
Yeah, like this we will
There
discuss.
are many topics we can discuss.
Yes, yes, yes.
Solar
Yeah, it is
panels.
very huge. It is like
Yes,
a big
we can
sea.
discuss on designing,
Yes, yes,
detailed designing.
yes, yes,
We
yes,
can discuss on our PVC software. PVC is a
yes,
software we
yes,
can
yes, yes,
discuss 1 hour continue.
yes,
So
yes, yes,
PVC software we can discuss. So there are many things
yes,
which
yes.
we can discuss or call that what are the next topic which we can discuss and
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. We will plan like that. Thank you. Thanks, Vishal. Thanks for your time for
thank you,
today.
thank you, thank you, Lakshmi.
Bye. Good you. Yeah, shalom.
Good to you. Bye, bye.
So this is about this rooftop setup, guys. So I think this information may be useful to you. The content whatever we discussed is as per experiences of Mr. Vishal. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, then please comment in comment section. We are ready to help you. Thank you. Bye. We'll meet in next video.